Hey, this is Trey with EasyGo. The latest of EasyGo's new innovations, the Intelligauge, offers drivers unrivaled insight into the vehicle, visibility to diagnostics and settings, and a sleek dash style. Now let's take a deeper dive into exactly what the Intelligauge can do. With the Intelligauge, you can now use a pin to set the vehicle speed, lock the Intelligauge, or institute a full vehicle lockdown. From the home screen, tap or swipe left to access the main menu, then tap the lock icon. For each digit, tap to turn green and change to the desired number, then tap the green check marks to set the new pin. With the pin set, you can now restrict access to the Intelligauge, set a maximum speed restriction on the vehicle, or set a zero-speed lock to restrict use of the vehicle. These tools will help you keep your vehicle, as well as any drivers, safe. From the home screen, tap or swipe left to access the main menu, then tap the vehicle icon. Tap the performance screen to proceed to speed setting. To set a maximum speed or speed lock, tap the speed limit icon to set the speed lock. Once there, tap up and down until you've reached the desired speed, then tap the green check mark to set and restrict the vehicle to the desired speed. Swipe left or tap the X to return to the home screen. To set the acceleration rate, tap the acceleration screen under the same performance tab. Once there, use the slider to set the desired acceleration rate. The same can be done for deceleration speeds. While on the performance screen, you can also set your vehicle to Eco Mode by tapping the Eco Mode icon on or off. Eco Mode improves your vehicle's range by making the car work more efficiently, giving you cost savings and reducing wear and tear on the vehicle. Not only does the Intelligauge give drivers unrivaled control of their vehicle, but it also can be customized to fit the needs and style of the driver as well. From the home screen, tap or swipe left to access the main menu, then tap the settings icon. The unit screen allows you to choose between miles per hour or kilometers per hour. Once you have made your decision, swipe right to advance to the next screen. On the display screen, you can choose what's shown on the Intelligauge screen while driving. On the top half, you may click one or both of the speed and state of charge options. On the bottom half, you may choose either the hours or odometer option. You can even adjust the brightness or set the Intelligauge to display-only mode. Once you have made your selections, swipe to advance or tap the X to return to the home screen. The Intelligauge is all about giving you more information with less effort. While the vehicle is plugged in and charging, the Intelligauge estimates the remaining time until full charge. The all-new Intelligauge offers insight into your vehicle and customization options like never before. Learn more about Intelligauge at easygo.com.